Dealing with a faulty garage door in Los Angeles? Repair costs typically range from $150 to $500, depending on the issue, like broken springs, cable repairs, or opener replacements. Labor costs in LA can run $75 to $150 per hour, and emergency repairs may add $100 to $200. The type of garage door and parts you need also impact the price. For homeowners in Encino, Woodland Hills, or nearby areas, choosing a local specialist can save on travel fees and get faster service. Regular maintenance can help you avoid costly repairs down the line. Contact your local garage door expert for reliable service and keep your garage door running smoothly.